back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, but today is going to be a vlog day. Oh, please stay. But today is an exciting day because we're going to be going to IKEA. Woo! So right now it's like 4:15 p.m. Michelle is coming over soon to pick me up, and yeah, it's like kind of an impromptu, spontaneous IKEA trip. We planned this last night. So the reason I need to go to IKEA is because my room looks like this right now. It's not cute. So I used to have a drawer right back here, but then Theo broke it a few days ago, so now all my clothes are on the floor. And I bought this rack from IKEA. It's called the Riga or something. It was only like $14. I really like it. It's really cute. I think I'm going to like put all my clothes there like for fall and have like a fall palette. It's gonna be really cute, but I need some more storage stuff to put my sweaters and shirts and stuff. So yeah, hopefully it'll be a fun trip. All right, ready to go. Oh my gosh, it's so hot outside. So this is the fit for today. I have this Harry Styles shirt that is my sister's, jeans that I thrifted, and jandals, and this necklace is from Henri Jewelry.
Harry Styles.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Vlogging so that you can give this to the court when I inevitably crash the car. I'm joking. And just...
Okay, so we made a quick empanada stop. I got the chile con carne. Michelle, what did you get?
soy chorizo.
Soy chorizo, and Nicole got
Potato and Nutella. Not in the same one.
potato and Nutella.
It sounds like a completely different language. Nostro Codera. Nostro Codera. I like the Christmas music in the background. That's what really sets the scene. It's like the opening of a not the opening, the mid scene.
We are in the food court. Just got sparkling pear juice, and this is the meal. So we got some, what is this called? Some fish, some chicken, sweet meatballs, strawberry shortcake. Michelle got garlic toast salad, cake,
3 drinks.
yeah. This looks so good. Oh, they're kind of nice.
You want my least favorite pancake? No. You don't want to know what you're excited. She always says bake off.
So I lost Michelle and Nicole. I'm in the storage section right now. I got these pretty cool organizers for my rack. I'm trying to find them, but I don't know where they went.